Welcome to Crypto Night. My name is Ife, and in this video I'm going to show you 2 ways you can make money trading cryptocurrency. Before I start, you should know that cryptocurrency trading is very risky as the market can be volatile in a short period of time. For you to be able to make consistent profits over a period of time, you need to have a strategy. The way you make money is that you can create and backtest your own strategy in order for you to be a consistent trader. This involves understanding technical analysis, knowing how to read the charts for potential confirmations and invalidations. You need to have basic knowledge of trading for you to be able to create your own strategy. But if you don't want to do that, there is another way you can make money, which is by copying other traders' strategy. Now, this is the second way you can make money over a period of time. And to do this, you would have to use an exchange that allows copy trading. The exchange we are going to use is Primexbt. This right here is what we are going to use to copy trade, and I am going to show you how you can consistently make profit using the Primexbt exchange. If you want to get started, I would leave a link in the description of this video. Once you've registered, this is how your homepage is going to look like. You can go over to this section right here where it says promo codes. You can use my specific promo code in the description of this video, where you can get up to $7,000 in bonus on this exchange. With that said, now let's jump right into this video. To get started, you go over to this section right here and click on copy trading. This right here is where you can copy other trader strategy and make consistent profits for yourself. What we are going to do is to select the best performing strategy in this list. And if you look at the P&L of these strategies, you would see that there is over 1,000% in profit. The first and the third guy right here are the best top 2 performing strategies on this list. If I click on this Beat Energy, you can see that this trader strategy has been performing very good over a period of 400 days. If you go over to this section, you would see the manager's equity. This is the current amount that the owner of the strategy is willing to risk in his trades. And the amount of people following this strategy is over 800, with a followers equity of over $360,000. So this right here shows that a lot of people are willing to invest in this strategy. So when you want to follow a particular strategy, make sure that it is the best performing strategy. You can also invest in more than one strategies at a time. I would click on this BizBiz Marco. This is another top performing strategy that you can use, and as you can see, it has been performing very well over the period of 76 days, and the manager's equity is over $4,000. Right here is the amount that the owner of this strategy is willing to risk, and there are over 260 followers currently following this strategy, with a followers equity of over $77,000. So this right here is another good profitable trading strategy that you can use to make consistent profits over time. And you can see right here that this strategy requires BTC as its base currency. Before I continue, you should know that nothing I say in this video is financial advice. When you choose to follow this strategy, this is the amount of profit you are going to make based on your current membership. As a standard user, you are going to make 60% of profit. This platform is going to make 20%. Owner of the strategy you are following is going to make 20%. And you can increase your percentage profit by upgrading to a higher membership. You can go over to this section right here. You can simply buy this co-vesting token and increase the amount of profit you are going to make when you follow a particular strategy. This right here is the required amount of co-vesting token that you can own to increase your percentage profit. The more co-vesting token that you own, the more profit you are going to get when you follow any strategy on the Primexbt exchange. You can see right here, there are various advantages when you own this co-vesting utility token. And if you want to make more passive income for yourself, you can go ahead and click on this yield section. I can choose to stake any of these assets and start making daily profit. So this is another way to make passive income on the Primexbt exchange. Right now, this is going to be it for this video. If you like this kind of content, you can please give a thumbs up and try subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section and I will try answer all your questions. For right now, this is going to be it for this video and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.